WTBR1000 tutorial on setting up the solder wire feeder to the correct point on the soldering tip. Okay, so in this case I've changed the tip to a totally different tip geometry. This is actually a tip for a surface mount application, and you can clearly see that the tip is, the solder wire feeder is way off the tip. Okay, there is a micro adjuster over here which I can rotate to move the solder wire left and right, so you can see it moving left and right. So let's bring it as far to the left as possible, and you can see we get that far. So we have to change the angle of the wire feeder, and to do that we take a number 7 spanner or wrench, just take away the tension there, and that allows us a bit of angle. Okay, so I'm going to move this back. There's a bit more play there. Tighten it up, and on closer inspection we want the wire to feed as close to the tip as possible without touching the cold board or pad. We want to feed onto the hot tip as near the end as possible. So that's about right. Okay. Now we need to rotate the head 90 degrees to see how we've aligned on the tip from head on. Okay, so I've positioned the camera to look directly behind the solder wire feeder, and you can see that the wire is feeding slightly to the right of the tip. Okay, I want to change that to show that to have it pointing towards the center. Also, I've set this up so that the wire feeder is not actually at 180 degrees to the solder tip. It's a little bit oblique. It's coming in from this side. So in actual fact, I want to feed the wires fractionally to the left of center. Okay, so to do that, it's quite simple. There are 2 little screws over here, the screw there and a little screw there. That screw and that screw. You just need to loosen those fractionally, and you can then make that adjustment. Requires a 5.5mm wrench. So loosen that half a turn, and you can see I have quite a bit of adjustment available. Okay, so I want to position it, as I said, that would be pointing in the center of the tip, fractionally to the left of that, and then I just tighten it up.